we got the new thing with database. Okay, we can see this. Okay, and I refresh. It came. Okay, it came out, and let's add one more with database. Okay, example. Name John. Okay, John. With ID name age 50. Okay, go and browse. We have 3 row. Yes, 3 table. Okay, you can press it. Now it came out with John. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm right the wrong the incorrect word. Okay, 50. The next video I will tell you about how to add, delete, edit with PHP and MySQL. This is the source code that I will drop to you. This is the localhost and these are from MAMP and MySQL. Okay, host, localhost, port, and username, password. Okay, let's see. And this is the syntax that we connect to the database, and this is the if statement that we check the error when the connection to the database is error. It will die error connect to database and show the mistakes. Okay, and then this is the structure of HTML, and I'm use Bootstrap framework. Okay, and this is the PHP to syntax PHP with the SQL to select the data from user, and we check the error, some error when we cannot connect with the database because it die and showing the show the message error get data from database. This is the value that we assign to the table row. Okay, we will issue to table row, and we use the dollar row and name of the table, and I will show you. This is the name. Okay, ID, name, gender, and age. This is the keyword that you bring it to TD. Okay, table data. Okay, it's all. Yes, it's all. Thank you for watching, and next video we will show you about the insert, delete, edit. Okay, thank you.